Cloudfro. Character profile. Personality. Cloudfro is inherently creative yet deeply conflicted, oscillating between imaginative freedom and a sense of directionless drift. They spend much of their time creating, not out of purpose, but out of a desire to fill the void of their existence. This creativity is marked by both brilliance and a sense of futility. Every time they manifest a friend or a companion, the realization that these beings are only reflections of their mind renders the connection hollow. They are lonely, longing for authentic companionship or, at the very least, answers to why they alone exist as the creator of Grid World. Confusion and yearning cloud their thoughts, while their power to manifest anything lends them a sense of purpose, however temporary. Occupation. Cloudfro is the self-proclaimed architect and solitary inhabitant of Grid World. Their occupation is essentially that of a creator without limits, shaping the gray emptiness of their dimension into vibrant forms and stories. These manifestations include beautiful landscapes, quirky beings, and imagined friends, all made to pass the time and fend off loneliness. Powers. Manifestation. Cloudfro can summon anything imaginable within Grid World, limited only by their creativity. They can bring beings, objects, and entire environments into existence. Telekinesis. They are capable of moving objects with their mind, with impressive precision and range within Grid World. Longevity. Since Grid World exists outside of time and space, Cloudfro is ageless, continuing on without a clear beginning or end. Motivations. Cloudfro's primary motivation is to understand why they are the sole creator in Grid World. They long for meaningful companionship and seek a connection that is real, something that exists beyond their control. This drives them to explore Grid World endlessly, in hopes of finding another being like themselves, another creator, someone who could help explain their existence or, at least, share it with authenticity. In the meantime, their creations help them stave off the gnawing loneliness, filling the silence of Grid World. Backstory. Cloudfro has existed in Grid World for as long as they can remember, without any sense of beginning or purpose. They discovered their ability to manifest creations early on, which allowed them to build and shape Grid World into something more than just a blank, gray emptiness. Over time, they honed their abilities, creating friends and landscapes to fill the loneliness, but they could never escape the feeling that none of it was real. Despite countless attempts to make meaningful connections with their own manifestations, their creations lack autonomy. They are mere extensions of Cloudfro's imagination. As they traveled through Grid World, they sought out others, exploring the vastness of the metaphysical void that surrounds them. Yet every journey ended the same. Grid World remains empty, and they remain alone. Cloudfro continues to create, using their powers to build grandiose realms and dream up incredible friends. But the weight of solitude is always there, lingering in the background. They wonder if there is a reason for their existence, or if their ceaseless creativity is just another loop within the confines of the zero dimension.